What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to put some egg rolls in the air fryer. I'm gonna be using this brand. This brand came from Aldi. This is the pork variety, but you can use any type you want. They have chicken, and I think they have vegetable. Don't quote me on that one. But anyway, you're gonna need some vegetable oil, and you're gonna need to line your air fryer with some foil. And I'm gonna tell you why. Alright, y'all, so I just put this 1 cap of vegetable oil in the bottom of my air fryer, in this part where the foil is, and I did that so that the oil will not leak out. I need these to air fry in a little bit of oil because I do not want my egg rolls dry. I've tried it many different ways, and this is the best way that I found for me. Okay? Alright, so we're gonna load the egg rolls in here. It's only 4 in the pack. In this pack anyway. Y'all use whichever brand you like. Alright, so I got the egg rolls in. Now I'm going to put the other cap full of oil on top. You're going to need 2 total capfuls of vegetable oil. Right, here go the second cap full. Pour that on top. Get all of it on there. And just start to toss these around and coat these as good as you can in that oil. So I got them tossed pretty good in the oil. Now we're going to get ready to turn these bad boys on. Load them up. I'm going to put mine on 350 for 14 minutes. I'm going to put it on pork just for good measure. Okay. I don't know why I just jumped up to 370. Let me take it back down. Okay, 350. Got it on pork. And we're going to do 14 minutes. Make sure it's still on 14. Okay, 14 minutes. You guys, we're going to do 7 minutes on one side and 7 minutes on the other. Y'all, these egg rolls do come with sauce. So I like to put my sauce on top of the air fryer. So while my egg rolls cook, the sauce will be getting a little bit, you know what I'm saying, like warmed up or whatever. 12 minutes left. So you just want to turn these over. So guys, you just want to cook these for 7 minutes on one side and 7 on the other. It had just passed 7 minutes, so yeah. Let it go the rest of the way. 1 minute left. Alright, they're ready. So this is what we have after 14 minutes, guys. Alright, so I'm going to get one on the plate. Alright, I'm going to cut it open too, y'all, so y'all can see how it looks. This is what it looks like on the inside, y'all. And don't forget to get your sauce off the top of the air fryer. Alright, we're going to dip some in the sauce. Y'all, these are pretty good. Nice and crunchy on the outside. A quick appetizer. Thank you guys for watching.